2016 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, brake assist, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.